Welcome. Today I am with NOKIA XR20 and I will show you fingerprint sensor test. We can find this sensor on the right edge. It's built with the power key on this side, and I will show you how fast and how reliable is this sensor. So let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. Okay, so as you can see, it's not working the best. I mean, it's not the fastest sensor that you can find in the smartphone, but it's not also that bad. But honestly, I use a lot of cheaper smartphones, for example, P40 Lite, P40 Lite 5G, Poco X3, Poco X5, Poco X3 Pro, and sensor in these smartphones are definitely faster than in this. And you know that this phone it's really expensive, to be honest. So it's not that bad, but I don't recommend you to go for that smartphone if you are looking for a phone with good fingerprint sensor. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.